Hey everyone, it's Robert again with my XJ project. This is my third unboxing in a chain of videos. I'm putting in the Auxbeam 8 gauge Bluetooth switch panel this today, and hopefully these lights, if there's enough light. So just going to get a quick unboxing. This is, sorry, it's backwards. This is the 5-inch off-road lights, 110 watts combined, 55 watts each. I think it comes out to like 11,000 looms. Sorry, I'm not an expert on the measurements on that, but it's all on the website. I'll put links down below for where I got these. This was from Amazon.ca. $189 minus $10 gift, not gift card. Discount right now. They also have it on some other lights I noticed, one of which I wanted to get, but ran out of money because bought that was $100 less on eBay than Amazon, and bought this and a whole bunch of LEDs. That was like $200 for almost all the lights. Actually, some are still coming, but yeah, all the lights, the marker lights, brake lights, and so forth. And I have it in the other video, but yeah, normally Canada, a set of these is 150, so it's ridiculous. I'm sorry, you know, last fit makes good stuff, but most of the stuff is made in China, and as we all know, it doesn't cost $150 to make that. Somebody's profiteering. Good to you if people buy it, but other than that, let's get this open. Gonna get my handy knife I have in the Jeep, so it's all ready to go. If you need a knife, and I highly suggest one of these knives. Maybe I should do a separate review. It is very sharp. It's a good steel. There's the brand. Basically I bought it as a seatbelt cutter in case we ever roll over or have to smash a window. Easy to fold, but yeah, there you go. There's your review. If you guys want, I'll put a link down below too. I'm not pulling hard enough, but it does flip really nicely, and then yeah, it just folds in. There you go. And black and blue is the theme of this vehicle, so it matches. So here we go. First time opening this box. Oh, more cuts needed. Not very good with cutting off the side like this, but there we go. Get your Auxbeam sticker so you can paste that on your fridge. Sorry, Auxbeam, you got a black and blue theme. Beautiful sticker though, it's got a sparkle to it, and my girlfriend will love that. It's going to be a good fridge accessory. Of course, a good manual. They always use color, which is nice. Have to read that in a sec. And then styrofoam. You never know when you might need to put it somewhere. There you go. So now I'm going to be running these lights. They look really nice. Wow. In amber, because I live in BC. It is either raining, snowing, well, rarely, but this year's been pretty bad, and of course dusty conditions in the summer, so we do get a lot of forest fires, so I need lights if I'm going through all that. I did drive to William Lake this year through a forest fire that shut down the highway behind me. It was thicker than any fog you could see. The only thing cut through it was my white, extremely white headlights and PIAA lights, but amber works better, and lower down the better, so that's also why I need to get those Auxbeam ditch lights. I might use them as fog lights, but we'll see. So as you can see, this has a lens that amplifies and focuses the light. I think it reaches like 400 meters. I've watched some other videos. It's insane how far these can go, especially if you mount this up on a roof. But this will be on my ARB bumper. But yeah, this is solid metal, guys. You can see it has a vent. It's good solid mounting points. It's got a middle hole there for a lock position of a nut, so grab the head once you put it in. Yep. And there you go. We'll see how these work, how they last. Now, a lot of people don't show this, but these do not come with butt ends. You'll have to get that installed. So there you go. There's the light, and then of course they give you 2 of these. I read that some people didn't get those. I think it was just mispackaged at the factory, so you should always reach out to the manufacturer. They'll send you things, you'd be surprised. And then yeah, the nightlights, I realized they gave me 2 mounting brackets of the same type. So this, yeah, sometimes they put too much stuff and sometimes not enough. This was made on Monday or Friday. So there you go. This is the wire harness. I'm not going to be using this because I have the switch system, but I might hack this up or keep it. We'll see. I mean, obviously I can make my own, but this is pretty good gauge wire. That's my pinky next to it. So, yeah, not bad. I'm not sure what gauge that is, but maybe, what, 14? You guys tell me in the comments there. Either way, we'll get this installed, see how this runs, and I'll make a separate video once it's installed. There you go, guys. Have a great day.